to UTAK POS. Let's talk about hardwares. Other than your tablet, you'll need a printer. For UTAK POS, we specifically use Bluetooth thermal printers. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a receipt printer that would print out multiple reports from your POS. Upon unboxing, you should be able to see four main components: the printer, the cords for power brick and the cord for the outlet, and the paper rolls. Connect the power cords to the printer like so. Then connect to power. The printer lights should be blue once you turn on the switch. Now the printer has two buttons. The shorter one manually feeds the paper out of the printer, while the longer one opens the printer tray. Let's click on the printer tray and peek on the paper inside. Ensure that your paper roll is positioned this way. Now to connect on the Android tablet, let's go through the settings of your tablet. Proceed to connect the devices, pair new device. You should be able to see printer 001. It will then ask for a passcode that would be 4 zeros. You'll be able to see the printer under connected devices after. Now exit that view and proceed to UTAK app. From UTAK app, let's go to UTAK app settings. Under the left side here on receipt printer, you should be able to tag printer 001. Now let's try punching a transaction. From here on, you'll be able to print out your receipts. For iOS tablets, all you need to do is turn on Bluetooth of your device and directly go to UTAK application, proceeding to settings to check if printer 001 is tagged on the receipt printer. For outsourced printers, we have two things to consider. If the size of your paper roll is 80 millimeters, for reference it's the same as Jollibee, you have to do the same instructions as mentioned earlier. But if it's a 57 millimeter, that's the same size as 7-Eleven, follow the same instructions but ensure that mini printer on the right pane of UTAK app settings is turned on. This way the margins are correct when printing out. The same goes true with MPOS as it has the same size as 57mm printers. If you're looking for a wired version, definitely that's a thing with us. The printer works with 10 meters of cable wire. You'll need to have this kind of wire and an adapter. Connect these wires together like so to the tablet. And after connecting, go to UTAK app settings, look at receipt printer, and the tag should say USB printer. The cash drawer can also automatically open every time that you receive cash payments. First thing that you need to do here is to ensure that your cash drawer is connected straight to your printer. Take a look at the video as how we're going to do it. Basically, we're going to connect the cash drawer wire directly to our printer. And then proceed to your UTAK app settings and ensure that cash drawer is also turned on here. And once you're done with that, every time that you receive cash payments, it will automatically open. That should be it. Please let us know if you need any help through our Facebook group chat. Happy selling!